How to see your most watched YouTube channels. Ever wondered which YouTube channels you watch the most? Here's how to find it. So start with your watch history. So go ahead and open YouTube, and then from here click on the bigger icon at the top left, and then click on history. And then in here you'd be able to find your watch history. Now scroll through and see which channels appear most often. Second is to check your time watch stats. So click on your profile, which you'll basically find at the top right of your screen, and then click on this view your channel. So click on your profile and then select your data in YouTube. From here, that will take you here. So in here, you'd be able to find your data in YouTube. So you just need to basically download that data and open that to be able to check which channels you've watched or check out the most. Now, for a full breakdown, you can use Google Takeout, export your YouTube watch history, then open the file in Excel or Google Sheets. Sort by channel name to see which one you watch most. If you want a simple way, you can also check your subscriptions tab, and the channels dominating your feed are usually the ones you watch the most. So there's no official top channels list, but with these methods, you can track your viewing habits easily. Try the steps today and discover which creators you watch the most, and that is how you can basically see your most watched YouTube channels.